Hello doers. Today we will discuss about the how to loaded details based on terms and condition in their MRP terms condition module via manufacturing module. You can see here our module Dev MRP terms condition. Install for click on activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to manufacturing menu. Go to configuration menu and you can see here terms and condition menu. Click on this menu and create a terms and condition with your details. First I add risk of loss and add details. Let's save. Second one is delivery and delay. And add details. Let's save. Go to manufacturing orders. Select any orders. And you can see here terms and condition. Risk of loss and delivery and delay I did created. First I selected risk of loss. Let's save. Go to terms and condition page. So you can see here automatically details loaded. Second one is delivery and delay. Let's save. So again you can see here. Thank you.